how to use speech to text on Windows PC. You wanted to learn more about it? Simple steps. All you have to do is you have to open the Word document and then hit Window H. Next line. Let me give you one simple example of ISO standard has got 10 chapter. Next line. One is scope. Next line. Second one is normative reference. Third one is terms and definition. Fourth one is context of the organization. Fifth one is leadership. Sixth one is planning. Seventh one is support. Eighth one is operation. Ninth one is performance evaluation. And 10th one is improvement. So whenever you wanted to take notes and all that, this is the best way to do it. You don't need to completely type out everything. Instead, what you can do is you can just keep giving your speech, and it will recognize your speech, and then what it will do, it will convert automatically everything into text. Next line. I hope you find it useful. Follow for more such techniques and start using it. Happy learning. Thank you.